Welcome back, students. In this class we continue the Exponents and Power chapter 12 exercise 12.1. So in the previous class we completed the 5 questions. Today in the today's class we continue with the 6th question. So 6th question is evaluate. So 1 by 3 to the power of minus 1 minus of 1 by 4 to the power of minus 1 the whole power minus 1. So here the first step will first we will evaluate inside the bracket. Keep this flower bracket as it is. So we'll bring this minus power 1 as split here to the numerator. This is minus 1 to the numerator and minus 1 to the denominator. Minus of again 1 is there, so or we can write like this. So minus 1 minus 1, then 4 minus 1, then close the bracket, again outer power is there, that is minus 1. After this we'll interchange this. If 3 goes to the numerator, this will becomes plus power 1, and this comes to the denominator, this becomes plus. So the power becomes plus. I'll take 3 to the numerator, this will become power plus to the power 1. 1 means it is understood 3. Then 1 comes down, means interchanging this numerator to denominator and denominator to numerator. Minus here 4 goes to the numerator, same thing here also, and 1 comes to the denominator. So then we have the outer power 1. So this, after this we'll get 3 minus 4 to the power minus 1. So 3 minus, what is 3 minus 4? Minus 1 whole power minus 1. This is the answer. So this remains as it is. The outer power minus 1 remains as it is. So this is the first one. Now the second problem is 5 by 8 to the power minus 7 into 8 by 5 to the power minus 4. So here we'll take the power separately for the numerator and separately for the denominator. So we'll split this to numerator and the denominator, the powers. Now here into is there, into, again here also we'll split the power to numerator and denominator separately. So now we'll interchange again numerator to denominator and denominator to numerator, same thing. So this I have shown by using these arrow marks. This explains that this is meaning of this is numerator comes to denominator, denominator goes to numerator. So therefore when 8 power minus 7 goes to the numerator, it will become 8 power 7. This will become 5 power 7. Again this will become 5 power 4, and this will becomes 8 power 4. Now we'll cancel. Here 7 goes with 4, and what is the remaining? That is 8 power 3 is remaining. 7 minus 4 is 3. Again here also 7 goes with 4, means again what is the remaining? 5 power 3. So what we get? 8 by 5 to whole cube we get this. You can write like this or separately. This is also correct. What is 8 cube? 8 cube is 512 and 5 cube is 125. This is the answer. So we move on to the next question. This completes the 6th one. We move on to the 7th one. Seventh problem is 25 into t power minus 4 by 5 power minus 3 into 10 into t power minus 8. In the bracket they have given t not equal to 0. We'll continue this, excuse me. Then 25 write as it is into t power minus 4 can be written as 1 by t power 4 divided by 5 cube can be written as, we are simplifying numerator separately and denominator separately. 5 minus power minus 3 can be written as 5 cube into 10 into 1 by t, what is t power 8. So this is, next we can write it as 25 by t power 4 by, what is 5 cube? 5 cube is 125 into 10 into 1 by t to the power of 8. Now here we can simplify. 5 2s are 10, 5 25s are 125. So next we can write it as 25 by t to the power of 4 by 2 by 25 t to the power of 8. This one 2 by 25 t to the power of 8. Next is, now we'll simplify again. 25 by t power 4 into 25. This comes to, now this comes to numerator. This comes to denominator. Okay, 25 2 by t8 by, what is the other thing? 2 we have to write. This one is 25. 25 by t8 goes to the numerator and 2 comes to the denominator. Now we have to again simplify. Here t how much? Here remains 4. So what we get? 25 into, we'll get 25. Then here t remains is 4. So here divided by 2 we are getting. So finally here if we getting confused, just t power 8 minus 4 we can take. This will be, so if you getting confused for this simplification, just take t, here 8 is there, here 4 is there, you will get t power 4. That's all. Very simple thing. Directly we can cancel, or you can write like this. This is also correct. Now 25 into 25, how much we are getting? 625. Then we have t to power 4 is remaining, divided by 2. So this is the answer. Next we move on to the second question. So this is 3 power minus 5 into 10 power minus 5 into 125 divided by 5 power minus 7 into 6 power minus 5. First step, 3 power minus 5 into, this 10 can be written as 2 into 5 to the power of minus 5 into 5. 1 to 5 can be written as 5 into 5 into 5. Then 5 power minus 7 into 6 can be written as 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6 to the power of minus 5. Now we will split this each power here, bring this power inside the bracket, then 3 power minus 5 into 2 power minus 5 into here 5 power minus 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 divided by next 5 power minus 7 into here 2 power minus 5 into 3 power minus 5. So next is we have to cancel here. This one is 3 power minus 5, 2 power. This one cancels. 2 power minus 5, 2 power minus 5. Then 3 power minus 5 is there. 3 power minus 5 cancels. Here one more 5 power 7 is there. Then here 5 power 5 is there. So remaining will be 5 power. How much if it goes to denominator? We'll get, or we can, if we are confused, we can take like this. 5 power minus 5 plus 7 we can take into 5 into 5 means taking this to the numerator. 5 into 5 into 5. So what is the remaining here? This minus 5 plus 7 is 5 to the power of 2 into 5 cube. This one we can write it as like this. Since this base is same, we can write it as 5 power here 3 plus 2 is 5. So this is the solution for the second problem, seventh main problem. So we may move on to the, this completes the exercise 12.1. Now we move on to the exercise, which one, that is 12.2. This is 12.2. So the first problem is they are given the decimal numbers and express the following numbers in the standard form. We have to express this. So here there are how much, including here it is 13. So we have to just count this, means the numbers after the decimal point, that is 85, right as it is, to the then 10 power 13. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Including this there are 13. So after decimal point, count these numbers and write just 10 power 13. So after this, we will take one more here, 8.5 write into 10. So if we write 8.5 into 10, this becomes 85. So both are same. 8.5 into 10 is equal to 85. So next is, then 10 power 13 remains as it is. Next is, because we are converting this to standard form, so we have to write this next. So 8.5 into, if 10 is there, this we can consider as 10 power 1. So next is 10.13. Next we can bring these to denominator, then 8.5 by 10 to the power of 13 minus 1 will become 8.5 by 10 power 12. 13 minus 1 is 12. So finally what we can write, 8.5 into, bring this to denominator, 10 power minus 12 is the correct answer. This is the standard form. So next is the second problem given here is, see, after the decimal point how many numbers are there? So 11 plus 3 means the total is how much? 14. 14 are there. So these 11 zeros plus 3 numbers. We have to write 942 then divided by 10 power 14, which is equal to 942 or 9.42 into how much? You can write it as 10 square. So this one 9.42 into 100 or 10 square is equal to 942. Both are same. Or this can be written as 10 square or 9.42 over 1/4. Therefore, next is same thing as we did for the previous problem. Bring these to the numerator. Into 10.14 means both the bases are same. So we have to take like this. If 10 is there, 10 square by 10 point, it is like this. Since these bases are same or equal, so when it comes to the denominator, since the base is same, it will become like this: 10, 14 minus 12. So this is the working. I am just shown here. And then minus 2. This is 2, not 12. Minus 2. This will become 9.42 by 10 to the power of 12. Now we'll bring this to the numerator. So 9.42 into 10 power minus 12. So this is the standard form. Keep it in this form. So decimal into power. So this is the second one. We move on to the third. Third problem is the following in the standard form. So third is given as 602 followed by, that is here we have 13 zeros. So for this 13 zeros, we can directly write it as 6.602 into how much we have, 10 by, similarly we will write in this first form, 10 to the power of how much we had. Since this is after decimal point, first directly we can write, that is 6.602 into, first we can write like this. If we are getting confused, 10 power 13. So since we have to write it in the decimal form, so write 2 decimal point 6.02. Here we have 2 power, we have to include. That's all. 10 power 2. So here what is the meaning here? That is 2 into this one after decimal point, both are same. 6 point into 1 and 2. This is equal to how much? 6 not 2. So we have included 2 zeros here. That's all. See here. So this is the general form. To keep this in the general form, we have multiplied by 2 zeros. So both are same. After this, we move on to the next problem, that is 0 point, that is this is followed by how much? There are 8 zeros plus 13. So we are taking only 11 zeros. So I'll just write 11 zeros plus 3 numbers. So for this we'll take 8, since so decimal point is here and the numbers are here. 8374 divided by 10 to the power of how many zeros? 11 is there. Therefore we will write this in the decimal point, that is 8.37. Same thing, 10 again 10 square, multiply this by 10 square. So this is equal to So 8.37 into is equal to 837. So here also same thing, divided by 10 power 11, then 8.37, bring this to the denominator, then 11 minus 2 will be equal to 9. So 8.37 by 10 power 9, bring to the numerator, then this becomes 8.37 into 10 power minus 9. So this is the general form. We kept this in the general form. Next is last problem. So they are given 3186 followed by how many zeros? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. These are 4 numbers plus 7 zeros. Directly we can write it as 3 point, as we wrote in the third problem, that is 3.186 into, that is 7 zeros plus these 3 zeros, that is 10 power 10. So 3186 means we are including 3 zeros. 3186 into 3 zeros here. So this is equal to 3186. So this is similar to the third problem. Fifth problem, so we wrote in the directly only one step, general form, include 3 zeros to this. This is 10 power 7, or how we included, we have 10 zeros, means 7 zeros into, we included 3 zeros, which will be 10 to the power of 10. So this we have did here, and this one is equal to this. So this is the general form. So this concludes today's class. If you have any doubt, comment me, subscribe my channel, share and like all the videos. Thank you.